large tech brands are entering the space. They've already entered the space, and they're only going to continue to do so. We've seen Amazon come into the space, Google as well. Google are putting together various different innovation labs to boost R&D processes. So they're in the space, they're really starting to accelerate and move things forward. And it's such a complex area, though, to be able to navigate in the right way. I think here we'd like to really get into conversation around how technologies such as AI or any other emerging technologies be used to really improve customer experience, to offer a better, more effective remote services, but also the way that we communicate to customers, people, and audience groups. So the big tech competition, Julian, it'd be great to get your views here on how you think technology is really going to disrupt the space, what you think is going to happen over the next coming years, how you think brands should work with the technology that's out there, and how you think that disruption is going to make an impact.
Yeah, so if you look at a patient's experience right now, or at a therapy that a patient is receiving or is going through, we usually think about the physician who's guiding the patient through that journey, that experience, right? And then we think about the therapy, the drugs or medical devices needed, right? And if we look forward, I think the next component will be the digital supplement or complement within that therapy, right? So it'll be a different component of a therapy. And if that is, assuming that is true, right, every bigger therapy, every therapy will have some sort of digital aspect to it, then I think we really owe it our patients to commit to it and say, okay, so patients benefit when we can deliver better therapies faster, right? So this means we should rather partner with big tech rather than reinventing big tech, the technology ourselves in order to deliver upon that, right? So I think it's really the responsibility on us as an industry to partner here and make this future happen sooner for the better of the patients. And then secondly, there's also this rather old economic theory of division of labor, right? It means that even if you can do something yourself, such as going into the digital space and building your own digital products, and that is debatable for most big pharma companies, whether you can do that, it doesn't mean that you should do it yourself, right? So I think both of those chain of thoughts lead you to rather that the big innovation in tech, in therapies will come out of joint ventures with big tech versus self-built stuff.